18 Ways for a Writer to Generate Passive Income by Creating and Promoting Their Own Offers. Ebooks. A writer can create and sell their own ebooks on platforms such as Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing or Barnes & Noble's Nook Press. Online courses. A writer can create and sell courses on platforms such as Udemy or Skillshare, teaching writing skills and techniques to others. Membership website. A writer can create a membership website where members pay a monthly or annual fee to access exclusive content, such as writing prompts, critiques, and webinars. Audiobooks. A writer can create and sell audiobook versions of their work, either through a distributor such as Audible or through their own website. Affiliate marketing. A writer can promote other people's products and earn a commission on any sales they generate. Sponsored content. A writer can write sponsored posts or articles for brands, in which they are paid to promote a product or service. Coaching or consulting. A writer can offer private coaching or consulting services to other writers and authors. Merchandise. A writer can create merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, etc. with his/her book or stories, quotes or artworks and sell them online. Print books. A writer can create a print version of their book and sell it through online retailers such as Amazon or through their own website. Subscription newsletter. A writer can create a subscription-based newsletter in which they share writing tips, behind-the-scenes content, and exclusive offers with subscribers. Podcast. A writer can create and host their own podcast, and monetize it through sponsorships, affiliate marketing, or through a subscription model. Virtual writing retreats. A writer can organize and host virtual writing retreats, where participants pay to attend and receive writing instruction and feedback. Scripts and screenplays. A writer can create and sell scripts and screenplays for film, television, and theater. Public speaking. A writer can offer public speaking engagements, such as keynote speeches or writing workshops, and earn money from these appearances. Graphic novels. A writer can create and sell graphic novels, which are a combination of writing and illustration. Illustration. A writer can offer illustration services based on their writing and sell them as an add-on to their writing services. Self-publishing services. A writer can offer self-publishing services to other writers and authors, helping them to format, edit, and publish their work. Crowdfunding. A writer can use platforms like Kickstarter to fund their writing project and generate income from that. These are just a few examples, and there are many other ways for a writer to generate passive income by creating and promoting their own offers. It's worth noting that the writer should have a target audience and focus on that audience's interest to be successful in any of these methods.